So we've all heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. The problem is that most of the stuff we eat for breakfast might as well be dessert. So I started looking into options out there that we could eat that would be a traditional breakfast item but would be nutritious and delicious. And I found this incredible company that's located here in Southern California that's doing things a little bit differently. They're putting superfoods in their pancake mix. So we're going to meet these guys, we're going to eat some of these incredible pancakes, and I've invited Lindsay Jones, executive chef, to take these incredible pancakes to the next level. And I hope you guys are really going to enjoy this episode of Joy Bus Journeys. Out here at San Clemente State Beach with the owners, founders, and the creators of Super Batter, and we've got Ambika and JP or James or whatever he wants to go with today.
I've got multiple names.
Tell us your guys' story. So you started this incredible company that's doing pancake mixes totally different. Why did you guys start this?
One morning I was craving pancakes, and James and I had been on a pancake kick, and I really wanted matcha, like, you know, the green tea.
Right.
So I really wanted matcha pancakes that were paleo. And I was like, James, I want these paleo matcha pancakes so bad. This would be such a good business idea, but little do I know, you're like, actually...
I was on Google searching like, is this an idea that's already been taken by somebody? Like, what's going on? So I was doing some research, and I went back to her and I was like, actually nobody's doing this. Like, why don't we just start it? Might as well like have some fun and start a business.
So you had a craving, and the craving is actually what started this business.
Honestly.
So they're all full of superfoods. Now, if somebody's out there and they have no idea what a superfood is, what in the world, what's a superfood?
It's really just something that has higher nutrient density.
So really a superfood is anything that kind of has multiple possibilities of nutrition. So it's not just fiber, it's not just vitamins, it's not just minerals, but there's all these things that are together. So like kale is, blueberry is, almonds, those are all, broccoli, that all of those are superfoods. But you guys have snuck them into pancakes. And so kids out there, families out there that are saying, well, maybe I don't want to eat any kale. Well, you don't have kale in your pancakes, but you have superfoods in your pancakes. So not only are you getting delicious pancakes, but you're getting all these nutrients that are helping you feel better.
Our pancakes are all gluten-free, paleo. Paleo is pretty much like a tighter restriction and doesn't use any dairy.
So you don't get those blood sugar spikes and crashes that you do with a traditional pancake. You don't get bloating, and you don't get that energy crash after. So
your guys' food would fit right into my diet, into so many people's diets out there.
So we're gonna make some blue matcha pancake. We're gonna make the whole bag, so we're gonna make this easy. Pour this bad boy in here.
It's kind of like if you ground up Smurfs, that's probably what it would look like.
Oh no!
So. And then how much water are we gonna put in here?
So we're gonna put a cup of water in this.
That is really turning blue. That's so cool. We got the griddle going, our solar powered griddle, and we're gonna use a little bit of coconut oil on there, and we're gonna make some of these incredible matcha pancakes. Them over, they're almost ready to eat. We're gonna stack these guys up and give them a try. We're gonna put some Kerrygold butter on there and some legit real maple syrup to give these guys a try. I'm really fired up about trying these pancakes. Oh my gosh, you guys. Light and fluffy, just a little bit of the flavor of the matcha, but not overwhelming at all. The texture is just incredible. The syrup with the, well, half a pound of butter or whatever that was on it, just, oh my gosh, took it to the next level. So this is, I can't believe that these have superfood in there and that they are that good for you.
You want some? Here.
Throw it in the lens. No.
In the lens.
So we just had these insane pancakes and we're gonna take them to the next level. So luckily I have a good friend here, Lindsay Jones, executive chef. You might remember Lindsay from our JD Flannel episode that made that was an insane donut that she gave me. I still dream about that. You started something new though, right? What are you doing now?
Yes, so now I'm doing Pacific Picnic Company. We specialize in outdoor dining experiences all like over Southern California. So alfresco dining, which we're doing alfresco cooking, so seems like a match made in heaven today.
We're doing some gourmet outside pancakes here, but we're taking these incredible pancakes, these superfood pancakes, and we're gonna go to the next level with it. So what are we making today with these amazing pancakes?
Okay, so the pancakes are already gluten-free, dairy-free, amazing. So we're gonna keep that theme. We're gonna do roasted pumpkin, because we're in the fall, right?
Okay.
So roasted pumpkin, a pumpkin seed chia granola that's also gluten-free and like out of this world good. And then we're gonna do maple syrup, but not like you've ever had it before.
Okay.
So this is a Lindsay Jones granola. So
can I try a little bit?
Yeah, let's try a little bit.
I've been called granola most of my life, but I actually really like granola.
That's insane. This is like the best granola I've ever had.
So we're totally environmentally friendly right now. We're actually cooking pancakes via solar.
No way.
So we've got the Goal Zero set up. We've got the inverter over here with it's basically a giant battery pack.
12 ounces of a pure maple syrup. You don't want any weird fillers in there. We're gonna add that to our saucepan. And then we're gonna add the spices. So I have orange zest, just a little bit, but just a little piece. I have a few slices of fresh ginger, a whole cinnamon stick, and then I have 4 cloves.
Oh yeah, that smells like fall for sure.
Yeah, so this is gonna go in, and we're going to turn on the heat.
Should we have a little bit of fireball too?
Oh yes, that's amazing.
Fireball.
Perfect. Okay, these are gonna be the best pancakes ever. We bring it to a boil, sustain that boil for about a minute, just so it can really infuse those flavors, and then we'll strain out. We're gonna put our pumpkin, some of our granola, and then our maple syrup all over the top.
Oh God.
And then we're gonna have some.
Oh my God.
You're dumb. These are so good.
So good.
What?
So the great thing about it though is the pancakes have an incredible texture. The granola gives it a little snap on it because it's crunchy, and then the sweetness of the pumpkin on top, and then obviously with that Mulled maple syrup on top.
This is the best.
That is an incredible combination. I wish you guys could eat these, because this is incredible. This is so good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed learning about Lindsay and how to take these incredible pancakes to the next level and making them gourmet, and that you'll try this at home so that you guys can enjoy these insane pancakes. Go check out what Lindsay's doing. What's your website again?
www.pacificpicniccompany.com.
pacificpicniccompany.com. That's a lot of P's. That's awesome. So all of these recipes, you guys, are going to be in the show notes, so you can link it down below. You can see how to make Lindsay's granola, how to make the Mulled maple syrup.
I usually don't eat all of the thing that I make on a segment, and I can't stop eating it.